Hey guys, how are you? My name is Trinity and I'm a trainer here with LLBA. Today I want to do a video showing you our 24K Gold Nutrient. I don't know about you guys, but I have a lot of clients asking me, will lash lifts damage my lashes? Are the chemicals safe? Will they be dry after? Will my lashes be breaking? And this is the perfect solution for all of those problems. I love to use this after every lash lift. I use it by itself after removals. I use it as much as I can on my clients. It is an amazing gold infused conditioner basically to help reverse any dryness, any damage, to help really nourish those clients' lashes. So today I'm going to show you a little bit more about how this works. So this product actually says it's a lash lift nourishing lotion, but that is not its only use. You can use it after removals or you can use it as a standalone service. It boosts the lash density about 24% and it actually does that from the inside out by nourishing the lashes. So, after a lash lift, after a removal, when the lashes are a little bit drier, when the client is worried about the chemicals, add this service on. Their lashes are going to look smooth, they're going to look silky, and they're going to look nourished. The clients will love it. They're soft, they're luxurious. So apply the serum directly onto the lashes. I like to use either a spoolie or a micro applicator here. So I will just show you how I would do it with the spoolie. You take your serum, put a squeeze of it onto the spoolie, just like this, and brush that through the client's lashes. You want to apply an even amount onto both eyes, all the way from the roots to the tips, and then make sure you're waiting 2 minutes for all those nutrients to fully absorb into the client's lashes before continuing on with your service. Like I said, I use this after every lash lift service. In order to do that, all you have to do is skip step 4 of your lash lift, which is the nutrients. You apply this directly onto the client's lashes, wait 2 minutes for it to absorb, and then continue on with your service. And I just want to show you here the thickness and the gold in this serum. So here's why it works. The gold nutrient is packed with panthenol, root vitamins, gold, and antioxidant properties. And it's these ingredients that actually help to keep the lashes softer and denser. Once you open your bottle, it stays good for 6 months. Just be sure you are keeping it in a cool, dry environment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot about our 24K Gold Nutrient. The link for the product will be down below in our video description. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment and we will get back to you. And see you guys soon.